Okay, guys. Today we are at the park. Yeah. So hot, guys. So our fun activity is our car. Let me show you my car. My car is here. You can see my car, guys. Yep, my car is black. Look at it. It's black. It's black, guys. So, our fun activity is where we start our car. So, this video is about to be starting. Whoa, it's a big rock. So huge. So, our fun activity is our next job. So, we have to start the Mini Up the World. Mini Up the World is where we start. So, our next activity. Whoa, there's a huge rock. Okay, guys, our fun activity is start. Oh, it's so hot.
The
So,
car.
Our car is where we start. So, this car is where we start. So, let's go over there. Over here, guys. So, our fun activity is where we start. Go. Now, guys, our tree activity is where we're going. And hi, guys. Today we'll be doing some fun activity. So we're gonna do the singing competition. So let's sing. We're gonna sing about Elsa. I can hear you, but I won't. Someone trouble, one mistake. There's 1,000 reasons I could go about my day. Manure your whisper, and the wish you go away. Oh. Oh. You're not a voice, and Mr. ringing in my ear, and my heart you don't. It's looking for, I feel. Everyone will never love us here anyone. I'm sorry, side that I am blocking and you're gone. I had on my adventure. You, I afraid of my wisdom. Follow you and to be alone, to be alone, to be alone. When do you want me? You hear me in trouble and make a big mistake. And I need to be, and you're hearing me, and to make my power grow. Don't you know I love you, I love to go, and to be alone, and to be alone, and to be alone. And watch me, and find me, will show me. Where are you going to leave me alone? I follow you and to be